All right, we are in
Port Townsend.
Port Townsend, and look, we're riding these super bikes, and I've got Raquel and Isabel behind me, about to crash, and I've got it all on video. But it's a beautiful ride here, isn't it, girls? It's a very beautiful ride. We're in the bushlands here we're in Washington State, up in the northwest of Estados Unidos de América. Y mañana vamos a Vancouver in Canada. And that's it. That's where we are in the world. This is my team. This is mi familia. No, this one. This is my buddy. This is my buddy. I don't know about that one. They're both my buddies. All right, that's it. What?
Oh my god!
What?
I think I ran over
Okay.
a lizard.
Okay, that's it. We can go. That's it.